Hi kids, how are you? I hope that you're doing good. To begin today's activity, let's start with our hello song. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I am sleepy. I am hungry. I'm not so good. How are you today? I hope that you are happy and doing good. And for today's activity, we have a very special activity. Let's check out with teacher Leia. Hi kids, how are you? It's teacher Leia here. I'm very happy to see all of you. And for today's activity, we're going to use our kit from the time I sent you at school. So here I have my paper plate. My cat ate a little bit of it, but it's okay. I'm going to fix it. So here we have a paper plate, prato de papel. We're going to need the paper plate. We're also going to need this black ink that I sent you. We are going to need these cotton balls that I also sent you, okay? And we are going to need this accessory here that we are going to use to dot the black ink, okay? So we are going to be needing all of those. We are also going to need this face that I sent you with the eyes. And we are going to use, you are going to glue this the ears. These are the cows. We're going to do a cow today. So these are the ears of the cow. They're pinkish. And we also have the nose of the cow. Okay? So this is our cow right here. Let's see how we are going to create it. Alright, so I'm going to separate the face because I'm only going to use this later. I'm going to leave it here. And then we have the paper plate with the black ink and with the cotton ball. So I'm going to make the cotton ball here I don't need to use all of it at once. So I'm going to make it all smoosh and I'm going to put it like this. Okay, so it's very fixated here. I'm going to use my black ink, and you don't need to make a big mess out of it. You can open your black ink, and you can just use the little bits from the lid, okay? So here I'm going to use it. I'm going to get all over my black ink, and I'm going to make dots from the cow, because the cow has lots of dots. A vaca, ela tem várias marquinhas pretas, right? So we're going to make lots of dots like the cow. So here I have one and another, imagining that this part here is all white. So you don't need to make a big mess out of it. So here I have another dot. This one I want to make a big dot. So I'm going to go a little bit like this. And here I have it. I'm done with that, so I can use it in here. Just being very careful. You don't need to get much paint, just a little bit of paint, okay? And I'm going to fill with dots all over my paper plate, okay? You don't need to be shy about it. Just getting some more ink. And then I'm going to put all over my paper plates. I am stamping the black ink all over here, and it's starting to look a lot like a cow. So this is my cow right here. I'm going to close the black ink because I'm not going to use that anymore. So here is my cow. For now, this is the cow, okay? I'm going to create some more details that I feel like I should. If you don't feel like you should, then you just don't do it. It's not a problem at all. So here's my cow with all its details and everything. Okay, so now I'm going to clean up my workstation. Cleaning up. And what am I going to do now? I finished coloring with the paint. I used the black paint to do the dots of the cow. Now we are going to work with the face, all right? We're going to glue the face. I've already put some glue in here, okay? And I'm going to glue the face, and I'm also going to glue the eyes, the nose, and the mouth onto my cow, okay? So here I have it. I'm going to glue here the face of the cow. Once the paper plate is dry, I'm going to glue here the cow's face, and I'm also going to glue here the cow's nose and its ears, okay, as orelhas. So I'm going to glue here the nose. I'm working here with tape because I'm out of glue, but it's going to be the same effect. And now I'm going to work with the ears, okay, as orelhas agora. Last but never the least. I'm going to glue my ears, and they are going to be very beautiful. And my cow, and this is my cow. And the cow goes moo. Oh, be careful not to make yourself dirty. And then it's only missing one ear, and my cow is ready. So here we go, one more ear. And this is Teacher Leia's cow, okay? So this is my cow here. I have a paper plate, and this is my cow. I'm going to zoom in for you. I'm going to show you better. This is Teacher Leia's cow. And this is how your cow is going to be looking a little bit like, just minus this cat eating part, okay? So I hope that you liked this activity, that you liked the video and the activity and everything. And I hope that you have a good time while you create your cow, okay? I also sent you some little feet that you can put on these sides here. You can put up your feet, okay? With the black paper, with the black stripe of paper, you can glue on the cow's feet as well, okay? Big kisses from Teacher Leia. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will help you the best way that I can. All right? Bye-bye, kids. See you tomorrow in our next video.